Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have published videos in past where I have described how you can apply for an ETA to travel to Sri Lanka for short-term visit. But what if you want to extend? This is what I'm going to cover in this video. So make sure you watch it till the end. But before I proceed any further, I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the Sri Lanka Electronic Travel Authorization website. Here, there is a section how to extend short visit ETA. So visitor who wants to stay more than 30 days in Sri Lanka may apply for an extension. So it can be extended for up to 270 days from the date of arrival in three consecutive instances. 60 days at first, 90 in second and third instances. Okay, so that means they will not grant you 270 at once, but yes, you can apply it in parts. But who would like it? It depends on your case based on how much duration. Yeah. How you can submit is like you can submit to the visa section of Department of Immigration and Immigration by visiting, and also online. This is what we are gonna cover, e-visa extension site. Okay, so let's click on this and go through. Okay, see, we got non-resident visa extension. So if you click here, so the steps they have given: register, apply, confirm, and finish. How to apply? Register, same thing that they have given. So you can do it from here. If you're coming for the first time, you can click on register. You need to fill as per your case, not what you see here. This is just sample information. Do it as per your case. So I'm gonna fill this up and then I'm gonna see you guys. Just send to the email. And when login using that verification code, I had to provide the same email address, password, and then the verification code. And then I was able to get to this page. Now here you need to put your passport and nationality. I'm just putting sample. I'm not sure how far I will be able to show you this. Visa not found. Okay, I was anticipating this because of course like I have not applied, but I tried to show you, and again I'll show you. You need to provide details, upload file, photograph, data, passport page. Other files can be uploaded as per availability, details as much as possible, like why you are extending and what is the reason to stay longer. You can provide those documents, and then once it is approved, you will be notified for any payment notification, and then visa will also be details will also be sent. So I've tried to show you as much I can, and I hope I have shown you the part. It's very simple. You just need to follow what they have written on their website. Okay. So once you so I hope this is good. I hope you're gonna like this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.